Now, me hear some intel star. So the man them in a Laventelle. The man them a plan for me. Me hear say, them have a hit for me.
Yo, Gemini, it must be a dream them had. Wake up, find out, say them no bad.
And the man them we a plan for me. Them have big money. And me hear say, them have a big network. Stretch all over the place. Jamaica, Caribbean, everywhere. America, Canada.
Big bad things happening in Trinidad and Tobago, not making things no easier. So you know what I mean. In the space of a week in Trinidad and Tobago, a baby was tossed in the bush. A father and son get executed in the bed. We having a bag of rapes. And also a mother and daughter, while reversing all the place, end up getting horribly executed. Not to mention, every time I hang out with a group of friends, we had to be worried about being ticketed. Or every time you're going in the family, every time you jump in a vehicle with your family, you have to be worrying about getting a fine.
No, I'm not sure it is the Muslim them. Cause when we hear the information, the person did mention Muslim, but him say him not too sure. Now, in a Laventelle, you have Muslim live there, you have 6 live there, 7, 8, 9, everybody live there, but I don't really talk about the Muslim them. Now, when it come to Prezi and 6 Dan and them man there, I scrub them out. You understand? So, all me I tell them on them say, listen, you can't intimidate me. But now I go stop do what me I do. Cause me not do nobody nothing. All me do, me just highlight what the fuck is going on. Any pussy step to me, but don't tell them, you know, it's gonna be a problem. Cause me I'll use everything fight, you know. Who be a police and me I'll use gunman. You understand? Before we get into the video, I want you to check out Countryman Canada, the YouTube channel. And also check out the WhatsApp group down below. You understand? In the group, we share information, we talk about a lot of stuff. And any ideas, any kind of videos you guys want me to make, I'll make it for you as long as it's possible for me to do it. So remember, check out the WhatsApp group. Now, let's go. Anything we may have to use to get rid of the bomber clot. So, you see, enough of them boy, I don't want to try to cross something about all, you know. But you see, enough on the pussy, when you not meet people face to face and do nothing, you know. What you do, you hide. And then run out on people when them now look with big gun and things so now bad man. On a big pussy. And that me I tell you now. You understand? So, anybody who hate me because me I bring the message, them can go bathe them girl and drink the water. You understand? And go from here so. Because it not gonna stop me from doing what I am doing. The only thing it does, it give me more strength to fight the blood clot plague them like the bottom feeder. You understand? We are suck out the people in blood clot, blood and energy like vampire. I want to get with shit like that. You understand? And me will always be a voice for the fucking voiceless. A voice for the poor. A voice for the blood clot truth. Like me tell my brethren today, you know. He must say, well, you know, certain vloggers, Ray, me I say, listen, you see me, as a vlogger, me make people know I am not perfect. Pussy rascal. So, I just saw me stay. Me not perfect. Every day me struggle with my madness. Like Uno. So Uno come and draw me out. Come on blood clot draw me out and see. You understand? And so this is for the bottom feeder then. I am not afraid when we can plan all we want. Just know say, you see when anybody step to Countryman, a straight blood clot problem. You understand? There is no rest to the blood clot wicked. So no go and fuck with me. Yeah, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out, yo.